Welcome to the Comm Systems channel, where we bring you expert insights into structured cabling, fiber optics, and communication network solutions for modern businesses and smart buildings. Today, we're exploring one of the most important topics in the digital age: why fiber optic networks offer superior data protection compared to traditional cabling systems. In today's world, data is the most valuable asset, driving everything from financial transactions to healthcare systems, cloud computing, and remote operations. Protecting that data is critical, and fiber optic technology is leading the way. Unlike copper cables, which transmit data through electrical signals, fiber optics use light pulses to carry information, making them inherently more secure, more stable, and less prone to interference or interception. One of the biggest advantages of fiber optics is that they don't emit electromagnetic signals. Copper cables can radiate signals that attackers can intercept using specialized equipment. But with fiber optics, there's no signal leakage, which means no data exposure. If someone tries to tap a fiber line, the glass strand must be physically broken instantly, causing a loss of signal that alerts network administrators to the intrusion. This built-in detection capability makes fiber optics far more secure than copper. That's why governments, financial institutions, hospitals, and data centers rely on fiber optics for their most sensitive communications. Fiber not only prevents unauthorized access, but it also resists electromagnetic interference, ensuring your data travels with complete integrity, even in environments filled with electronic equipment or high-voltage systems. At Comm Systems, we install and certify OM3, OM4, and OS2 fiber optic networks using precision fusion splicing and Fluke DSX certification tools to ensure maximum performance and security. We follow TIA, EIA, and ISO, IEC standards, ensuring every installation meets the highest requirements for data confidentiality and network resilience. In addition to security, fiber optic cabling offers higher bandwidth capacity, faster transmission speeds, and longer distance coverage without signal degradation. This combination of speed, reliability, and security makes fiber optics the gold standard for modern network infrastructure. Whether you're transferring critical files, hosting cloud services, or operating a high-speed enterprise network, fiber optics ensure your information remains private, protected, and uninterrupted. Thank you for watching this episode on why fiber optic networks offer superior data protection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights from Comm Systems, your trusted partner for advanced communication solutions. For more information, visit us online at www.dvcsny.com or call 888-501-5885.